On Thursday, September 4, 2025, Congress leaders strongly criticized the center over the next generation GST reforms announced after 80 years of delay. Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera accused the government of ignoring Rahul Gandhi advice for years. In a post on X, Khera wrote, "When they finally have to follow Rahul Gandhi advice, why do they take so much time in doing that?" He also shared Rahul Gandhi older statements where the leader of opposition had urged for a cap on GST. Rahul Gandhi had said an 18% cap on the GST rate is in everybody's interest. Since 2005, Congress party has wanted a GST that is pro-industry, pro-trade and non-inflationary. As an indirect tax, GST affects rich and poor alike. I urge the GST Council to keep the rate at 18% or lower so that the poor are not unduly burdened. Senior Congress leader and former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram also criticized the government. He said, "The GST rationalization and the reduction in rates on a range of goods and services are welcome but 8 years too late. The current design of GST and the rates prevailing until today ought not to have been introduced in the first place. We have been crying hoarse for the last 8 years, but our pleas fell on deaf ears." Chidambaram further questioned the timing of the reforms, asking what it drove the government to make the changes: sluggish growth, rising household debt, falling household savings, elections in Bihar, Mr. Trump and his tariffs, or all of the above. On Wednesday, September 3rd, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the reforms after the 56th GST Council meeting. The council decided to rationalize GST into just two slabs, 5% and 18%, by merging the earlier 12% and 28% categories. Sitaraman said the reforms are aimed at reducing the tax burden and simplifying compliance. According to the government, the move will provide relief to households, farmers, businesses, and the healthcare sector.
रेट रैशनलाइजेशन में सभी मंत्रीगण समर्थन दिए एंड मैं इस विषय में आभार पहले व्यक्त करना चाह रही हूँ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को, क्योंकि पहले से ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 8-9 months ही बीन आफ्टर मी सेइंग आप कुछ जीएसटी में राहत दिलाओ जनता के लिए. उसका इंटेंसिव वर्क किए. हमारे एमओएस कॉम्पनसेशन सेस के ऊपर शेयर कर रहे थे ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. ही वर्कड वेरी हार्ड विद ऑल ऑफ देम. Samrat Chaudhary ji worked on the rate rationalization, and not only the chair but the members of each of these GOM have worked very hard. I am absolutely appreciative of every one of the ministers. इस समय का मांग को समझ करके समर्थन दिए, इसलिए उन सबको मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाहिए. There's also of course trade facilitation measures and process reform, वो भी इसमें शामिल है, जिससे enhanced verification measures which are aimed at curbing fraud have led to complex documentation, उसको भी simplify करने का, और data analysis वगैरह है. process reform के ऊपर मैं विस्तार से आपके question answer के समय में जवाब दूंगी, मगर primarily I'm sure all your